We all know how it starts. You come across a new book or a movie and suddenly realize you just binged the entire trilogy overnight. Now what? You need more. And in this easy 3-minute life-changing tutorial, I can teach you to bewitch the mind and ensnare the senses. I can tell you how to bottle fame, brew glory, and even put a stopper in death. Okay, not really, but I will be teaching you how to become the most knowledgeable fan, an expert on all things fandom. I know it can be overwhelming, the enormous amount of information right at your fingertips, and that's why I'm here to guide you. To begin, you will need a device with an internet connection. Maybe even 2. Once you have that, open up a trusty search engine. How else will you find the information you need to feed your hyperfixation? Use these tools to find extra official or canon content and rewatch clips from the movie while you're at it. Only once you've watched all the bloopers, interviews, and behind-the-scenes footage will you be able to move on to the next step. Fan websites or fan blogs are great resources for rookie fangirls and fanboys. And trust me, you'll start coming across art and works by more seasoned fans quickly. You know they will never give you fake news. Congratulations! You've now amassed considerable trivia. Combine your canon knowledge with the headcanons to create your own content. Create fan art. Write fan fiction. This is where the fun begins. Engage with other fans. But remember, don't be overbearing. Be active in the community. Share your creations and opinions. Look at you, being such a productive fan. Go on, treat yourself. Get that merch you've always wanted. Don't forget to keep up with the cast and even the crew online. But remember that the actors of the series probably won't read or like your imagines. Don't be creepy like that. By now, you've become an expert on this fandom and there's no more new content. A sense of boredom overcomes you. From here, you have 2 options. Either continue creating your own content or start spreading out. Does your favorite actor from that fandom star in any other movies or shows? And just in case you spiral into a new obsession, you already know everything you need to obsess expertly.
This is where the script burned from the lights.